Hi friends, today we are going to talk about something which is very interesting. Yes, something that I'm doing right now, and that is communication. I am Dr. D.G. Kulkarni, Principal of Marathamra Engineering College, Karnataka, India. Welcome to this first lecture. Friends, we all may be used to communicating with somebody or the other. Our parents have communicated with us. We maybe have communicated to the little ones in our house, though they do not understand our language, right? That means communication is an important aspect of life. We communicate to each other, we communicate to ourselves, and we also communicate to the animals. Just think about those instances when you reach back home, and if you are a dog lover, the dog just wags its tail, it pounces on you. So it says, I love you, I missed you the whole day. And what do? We just pat the dog and say hi. And after some time, the dog is relaxed. This goes to say that even human beings communicate with animals and animals communicate with human beings. This apart, friends, let's see today what is this whole communication process about, and let's get going. For the communication to happen, we require at least one person to communicate for himself. We call it as a self-talk. Or very commonly, we require two people, one talking to the other or one talking to a group. So let us see exactly how the communication process happens. Here we have two sheep, and if you hear them doing something, you hear some sound, that means they are communicating.
Meh.
And what are those sounds called?
Meh.
These sounds are called, friends, bleat. So the sheep bleat and they communicate to each other. So what do human beings do? We also communicate, right? But what do? We talk, we speak, we write, and we also make gestures, and a combination maybe of all these things is communicating. So friends, what is communication then? It is simply the exchange of information and knowledge in some mode or some media. So let's see how this process happens. Oh, I have got Joe here, and I have got Mary here. Joe wants to communicate to Mary, and he just wants to say, will you be my friend? Now, Joe wants to say this, wants to give this information to Mary. How does he do it? He has got options. He may do either talk,
I love you.
he may write, or he may simply make a gesture. These, friends, are known as medium of communication.